Hello viewers, Namaste. My name is Ashwini. I would like to say the intention of one creative project. Mr. Yusuf M. He is the founder and mastermind of this massive project. Mr. Yusuf M. has created a creative project named My Creative Project for Government. One of those huge projects is this tourism project. I would like to share with you some things about this project. You may not have heard of this type of tourism project before, and no one has ever implemented this type of project like this. Tourism project is different from other projects. It is right to say that it is more innovative than different. This plan's main purpose is to bring new developments to the old model without deleting the old one. You may be wondering what such novelty is in this project. This says this type of the project has not been implemented. Is there anything special in this project? Many questions like this may come to your mind. All these questions come to mind of all people. Yes, viewers. This project covers all these different things like novelty, diversity and specialization. You may ask how? Traveling is a different and more exciting experience in everyone's life. Everyone loves to visit tourist sites, from young children to the elderly. People love to travel because they want some fun and excitement in their lives. They should remember the experience of those tourist spots for the rest of their lives. Only then will his trip purpose to be fulfilled. But their happiness it depends on their financial situation. The reason is that current tourist destinations, travel packages and shopping in those tourist destinations do not suit all people's economic conditions. Many people around us are willing to travel, but due to their financial situation, they are unable to fulfill their desires. Thus, visit tourist destinations in packages, but they are unable to fully enjoy their time. This is because the time and space in their package depends on the money they spend. And even though some people visit tourist places, they may get a vibrant experience and they may not gain a vibrant experience. But our tourist plan is very surprising. This is because the city that is implementing the project completely changes its image. That city will be completely changed so as not to interfere with any of its models. Our plan intention is to completely transform the city into a tourist destination. The digital world will be created in that city. This project will bring about changes on the way it will appeal to young people, adults and elderly and their moods and interests. The project will bring cultural, educational knowledge and entertainment innovations in a way that is fully available to the public. There are no restrictions in this project. There are all sorts of opportunities for tourists to have complete enjoyment for the money they spend for this project. Once a traveler visits the place, when comes out from that place, he feels like he just came out from the new world because this tourism project is going to show the immense. The scheme provides packages to suit everyone's financial situation. This project is built for the benefit of all classes of people. There are many benefits to our country from this scheme and to the city in which our project is implemented. Firstly, tourism helps create an impetus to economic activities which in turn draw investment, revenue and economic growth. New shops, hotels, traveling facilities, malls, plazas and other developmental activities begin to take shape because of tourism. Residents benefit through the services that rise naturally in demand due to economic activities generated by tourism, such as learning and recreational activities. Tourism plays a vital role in the economic development of a country. Tourism is the second largest foreign exchange earner in India. The tourism industry employs numerous people, both skilled and unskilled. It promotes national integration and international brotherhood. India has fascinated people from all over the world with her secularism and her culture. Along with the natives, our project has the power to attract the foreigners. Can you imagine how much wealth India gets from foreign tourists? Lot of profit. Thousands of people come to the city every day to watch this project. Our project founder, Mr. Yusuf's creative ideology is working on how to attract more visitors to the city. This plan should be implemented. If implemented, the whole world will look at our country in awe. Our project founder, Mr. Yusuf M, his intention is the opportunity should come from the government. Because when like this scheme is implemented by the government, the benefits will reach to everyone from the public to the entrepreneurs. Many young talents will have jobs opportunities. Who has a mindset to achieve something in their life but do not have a support from anyone, like the talents have a complete opportunity in our project. Our country's economy is benefiting from tourism, with which our project will bring more profit to our economy. Our mission is to create a model for Nava Bharat Nirman and Digital India to attract the attention of the whole world. The main purpose of our project is let us be grow those who stand with us and let us move our country towards to the development. May your cooperation and blessing be with us all the time. Thank you.